I'm really so angry with the gold. I mean, I have sent a signal, my friends, last Saturday to buy the gold from 2750, and the gold has reversed exactly from here. It was a great sniper entry, and then the gold has went in over 220 pips of profit. Everyone was happy, life was good, and it was just really promising signal. Then something happened. The gold has totally crashed right after reaching the resistance at 2775 and instantly dropped for over 400 pips. Now, the problem here is that the gold did not exit my safe zone. That's why we call this as a safe zone. As long as the signal is ranging inside of the safe zone, we are fine. You can place your stop loss anywhere you want outside the safe zone, here or here or here or here. Anywhere outside of the safe zone, you can place your stop loss. So as long as the gold is ranging inside of the safe zone, we are fine. That's why I see this gold and I think it's still ranging inside of the safe zone. Reversed at the edge, but still inside of the safe zone. Did not really exit this area. I don't know what happened to me to announce on my Telegram that the gold signal has officially failed. I don't know what I was thinking. That was a mistake. It was really bad decision to announce that the gold signal has failed. I should have announced that the gold has reversed at the edge of the safe zone and didn't fail yet. However, I have made a poll yesterday on my Telegram asking my followers if they are still holding the trade. I mean, I'm really feeling sorry for the 300 votes for no, we closed it. But also, there is over 100 people who voted for yes, we are still in it. So I'm not really sure how to feel about that. Somehow, we don't feel guilty, but we just feel annoyed about how the gold is moving. That crash here was really so unnecessary. I don't know what to say about it. But anyway, what happened. Let's now put it in the backside of our shoulders, and let's now see what we can do next with the gold for the remaining days of this week. Now, by the way, guys, this is the reason I'm asking you to join our free group of Telegram to receive such of updates and even votes here. So this is the channel here, Xtreme Trader Signals, and you can also find the link in the description below of this video. So the gold is still rising, and this signal so far is running in around 154 pips for those who are still holding it. But now, what about those who didn't? What we can do next? In my opinion, the gold right now is obviously going to continue the rise. Remember, here, based on the 1 hour time frame, we had, of course, a head and shoulders pattern has appeared. So meaning the gold was actually supposed to continue the fall after retesting the broken level of a support at 2749. But that didn't happen. And the gold just simply continued the rise. Meaning, this movement here happened due to some news, which honestly, I'm not sure what was it. But obviously, the market did not hold the position of this crash here. And right now, the gold is making a correction and rising again. And therefore, the head and shoulders pattern here has completely failed, which means the gold actually has a good chance to continue the rise. Even on daily chart right now, we can see here a fake breakout has appeared from this level of a previous support, which means the gold also did not respect the resistance at 2750. And that tells us that the gold has a high probability right now to continue the rise toward our target at 2,800. So where exactly is the best level to rebuy the gold again? That's the big question. Again, let me answer that. What we can do right now is simply check right now here that we had, of course, a broken level of a resistance trend line. Now, all we know here that once the market actually makes a bullish breakout from a resistance trend line with this here bullish breakout candle, the market tends to do a movement here, which we call the retest of the market. Meaning, the market will continue the rise till it reaches the peak of the resistance at 2786. After that, it will start the fall or the drop to retest the broken level of a resistance trend line and to create here a new support trend line. Afterward, it might continue the rise. But what we are aiming right now is to continue buying the gold till it reaches that level of a resistance. So for a starter, our take profit level will get to be changed to be right here at the peak of the resistance at 2784. So let me just now edit the take profit level to be at 2784. That's for a starter. Now, where exactly can we buy the gold again? Well, let me just tell you something. Here we have the answer on the Fibonacci, right here exactly, as we can see, plus, of course, the support trend line right here. All of that together tells me that we can actually rebuy the gold again exactly at Fibonacci 50. Why? Because first of all, this was a strong key level of a resistance exactly at 2757, and here we can see the match with this level of a support trend line. Now let me just tell you something. One of the best setups ever you can buy the gold, or actually any pair for that matter, is looking for a support trend line that has been respected all the way, then faced a fake breakout. Now your best chance is to rebuy the market exactly at the same level of a real support trend line, and ignoring the fake breakout, the market most likely will reverse exactly right here. So here you can place your buy order. That tells me that here we have a support trend line, a fake breakout from that level with zero resistance trend line, and now the gold is actually at Fibonacci 61.8, which means it has a chance to make a pullback right now, and this level of a support trend line most likely is going to be respected again, and then the gold will continue the rise. So that tells us that we can actually aim around 270 pips with profit with this signal. Now for the safe zone, which is really important. Now, because we are actually relying on this level of a support trend line, we don't want to set our safe zone to be that big. So therefore, our safe zone in this case should not be actually a little bit, or actually can be exactly at the edge of the previous resistance right here, exactly at the resistance at 2745. Therefore, there goes our signal. We can buy at 2757. And then targeting 2784. So therefore, our safe zone will be ranging for around 121 pips against 270 pips of profit. And again, my friends, remember that no one here promising any profits. We are just doing the best we can. This is just a disclaimer that we are again doing really our best to provide you with the best signals. We are not responsible at all of how this crazy pair moves. And again, don't forget to actually join our channel on Telegram to stay connected to us and to receive all kinds of updates from us directly. This is the channel here, Xtreme Trader Signals. And you can also make it easier and check the description below of this video to find the direct link to join, and hopefully we will see you there. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.